Welcome to Nifty Pulse India. Today we can see the post analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex using our indicator. The indicator is Nifty Pulse India's Fibonacci from first 5-minute candle. And I will explain that. This is the first 5-minute candle of today's Nifty, and you see this is the high level. See, it has been marked using the black color. It is the low level of that candle. That is the low of the candle. This is the high of the candle. This is the mid value of the candle. Mid value is in blue color. And this is the Fibonacci's first level downwards. This is the second level. This is first level upwards. This green color is second level in upwards. See. So, after reaching the first 5-minute high, it has taken downwards. From the it has reached the first low level of the Fibonacci. Then made a sideways. It made a sideways here. And see how it has reacted. From that first level, it has reached to the second level and taken support from the second level and moved to the top. That is the second level above the first 5 minutes candle. So this black color is first 5 minutes candles high. This is the first 5-minute candles low. See how the market has reacted, how our indicator has predicted the moves. So this indicator link will be given in the comment. You can use that. We can see for Bank Nifty also. See, it has made this is the first 5-minute candles low, this is the first 5-minute candles high. So it has been marked. It will be marked continuously for first day. For full day it will be marked. The high, low and the mid level. See, from the mid level it has fallen down, came to first Fibonacci level. Then it has moved, made a sideways. Then for half of the second level. From there it took support and moved to the top. This is how our indicator is working. So these levels will be marked on after the first 5-minute candles finished. From the next, this second candle, it will be available for the whole day. We can move for Sensex. See how it worked. The first 5-minute candle, then it has not break above. So from there it came down, again sideways, again it came to down, then went up. So the entry and exit and stop loss can be planned using this indicator level. See how it moved. So if you are going to take entry here, you can keep the stop loss here. You can plan like that. Keep the target here, or you can trail the stop loss. You can plan your entry and exit with these levels. The indicator link will be given at the comment. You can use that for free. Kindly like, comment and subscribe. So hereafter the post analysis will be based on the indicator only. So on the pre-analysis, if you use this indicator, no need to make any pre-analysis, no need to draw any resistance or support levels. You can use this on the same day when the market opens. So everything will be made automatic. It will find the low, high and the midpoint Then you trade according to the direction. From this you can find the direction very easily. This is the wire-based strategy. See, whenever a candle breaks, see it. Yeah. See, when the first 5-minute candle's low has been broken, then it is a bearish market. See here, it is a bearish market. When the first 5 minutes candle's high is broken, then it will form a bullish market. Here you can see exactly where it has taken support and moved. Here, this is for educational purpose only. So it has broken the first 5-minute candle's high, but the next candle came down. So this is not the entry point. You can make sure only when the candle breaks and after that candle sustains above that, and it should make a support from the first 5-minute candle's high, then move. That will be a great entry. So always plan when you're going to enter here, make this as a stop loss. Plan like that. Then keep the target here. This is the first target. Then you trail stop loss by the 50% keeping here, and you can trail. See, it has moved for more levels. Third level also it has moved. Always, if you want to find that easily, you can use this. See, exactly. That is what our indicator is giving. See, this is the first level. Automatically everything is shown. This is the third level. See here. Our indicator works only for last 7 days, 7 to 8 days only. No history will be there. Up to 7 days only. It can be used for even for stocks also. You can use. See, claims. See how it works. Just break on the first 5-minute candles low. So you can keep an entry here, keep the stop loss above this level, or here you can keep stop loss. This is the first target, and this is the second target. After a reversal, you can enter here, marking this as the low. You can enter here, see how it moves. You can keep the stop loss below this level. This is how our indicator is helping us. Thank you. Kindly use the link and use the indicator for free. Thank you.